Okay, I'm gonna be demonstrate leave request. Why I choose the leave request is most of the time the companies focus on the customer. I'm advise a company will have to focus on employee. When you employee satisfied, they can we can improve productive and also customer support too. Let's go in there. This company is a small retail business. It has a two-store location in Minneapolis. Sale vary of the goods. Then we're going to plan what problem will the app solve, who will use the app, what goals and objectives will it meet for users. When you leave a request, then it's simplify the system, time saving, manpower controlling, employee satisfaction, flexibility. When we focus to employ their work and finally they didn't get the payment, so they're gonna be upset. The work is not gonna be done. So this one we can do simply by using SharePoint and Power Automate, we can fulfill the company with those goals. So the scenario is a new time of request form. When the form is submitted by any employee, it will trigger email to manager. Email will have a time of detail in the link. When the manager is clicking the reject or approval, that's going to be go in an action. Then the email is, if it's approval, go to the employee. If it's reject, go to the employees notification. And if it's approved, it goes to calendar too. When you see simply, when you see the graph, when a employee initiated the leave request, automatically go to the manager. Manager gets emails. It's this very simplify the thing. Before what they do, the manager should be or at job, he got approval for employee. But nowadays, wherever he go at home, he just got an email. He can get a check on email. He can see all details, the date, why they leave. They can approve or he can reject. It's a matter of decision. So when he get a reject, the reject is a notification email, notification for employee. It goes to, if it's approved, they got employee notification, and on top of that, the calendar is shows in the calendar. At the same time, if it's a reject or approval, the data, the one they fulfilled, gonna be updated. This one, the demo is the email we send. Actually, we requested in the SharePoint. We requested in the SharePoint. Then the manager gets email here. When they got approval, there's a Power Automate that processed. Then send the email again. It's approved or rejected. Then finally, it shows in the SharePoint the status changed. If it was pending, then finally or rejected or approval shown. In the top of that, it shows in the calendar too. When you see a demonstration, this one is a real hand project. The employee is very easy. When they request, just he go to the SharePoint app, then he just click the leave request, then he push in a new, then they fill the form. It's a matter of clicking. That's very easy for employee too. When they fill it, submitted, then it's automatically goes to this process. So when the item is created, when employees they submit the form, it's automatically come to here. This goes to process. When you see this one, yeah, don't go to action. The condition that is if yes, and if it's no, that means the manager gives you a rejection or approval that keeps like flow like this. When you see the email, when you got it, the manager got like this, you can say approval. When you say get approval, like this, the employee, they can see approved or rejected. Even if it's not approved, they see the pending. That's it. Thank you.